So in the next one in our series of testing out the Ninja Duel, we are doing hard-boiled eggs, and it's all about following the series that we have on page 18 of the Complete Air Fryer Cookbook, where we do the air fryer temperature test to see how it compares to other air fryers. So we originally did this recipe using the Philips air fryer and the Cosori air fryer. So now we want to see how it compares with this one. So at page 29, we'll find our eggs. So yeah, they're them for soft-boiled eggs if you prefer them soft, or you can do them hard. So if you're doing hard-boiled eggs in the air fryer, you're looking at 16 minutes versus 9 to 10 if you're just doing them for soft-boiled for chucky eggs. So let's get the air fryer on. And this is the bit that throws people because you can't use the air fryer button for this. So I'm just going to do 4. And that is because if you look at the air fryer button, put the temperature right down, and it only goes down to 150. And what you need for eggs is 120. So what you need to do instead is you need to go to the bake setting, and there you can actually go down to 120 Celsius, which is 250 Fahrenheit. And then for setting the time, you want 16 minutes, and then press start. And we've baked. So these are what the eggs look like. A lot of people are fascinated by the idea of this because you know, there's no water involved, and we always associate boiling eggs with obviously a pan of hot water. I even had the lady from the local radio station coming round to check these out because she could not believe. But if you look at them closely, you do get a few little water bubbles on them, but that's as close as to how different they are. So what I recommend is a ladle or something similar to this that you can use to just quickly grab them from the air fryer. Sometimes I just grab them anyway. Depends how crazy I'm feeling with the fingers. And as you can see, that one's cracked slightly, and that's what it looks like if they crack a little bit. Then pop them in there. If you just want them to be cool enough so that you can peel them without burning your fingers. And then pop that back in, and we'll just give them a minute or two to cool. So these are the eggs. They've had a chance to cool now. I can touch them now and they're not going to burn my hands. So let's just see what they're like compared to oven ones. So I recommend giving it a quick roll like I've just done there, because it makes it so much easier to peel them. And they're just so easy to peel. And then give them a dunk back in the water, and it just gets rid of any more of the shell. And look at that for a boiled egg in the air fryer. And then let me just show you. And there you have it. That's what the boiled eggs look like when made in the air fryer. I mean, isn't that fantastic? Don't forget to check out the Complete Air Fryer Cookbook, made from 10 years of air frying experience with lots and lots of air fry beginner recipes. 140 recipes are included, and they're just so easy to follow with plenty of step-by-step instructions for all the key recipes so that you can become a master of your air fryer. I know you'll love it, and it's just £10 on Amazon. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter, as well as following us on Pinterest and Facebook and joining our Facebook group. We are also on TikTok now, so don't forget to follow us at TikTok /recipethis.